YouTube was good. What's good, YouTube, man? Welcome back to another video, YouTube. Man, it's been like, we'll just call it a whole week since I ain't posted a video. And we'll get to that here in a little bit. But first, the time has come. The long-awaited time has come for someone to take home the 212s and the 1200 watt Terra amp bass amp home and be jamming for the summer. And look, the summer is approaching us because the sun is out, the birds are chirping, and someone needs to be jamming, you know. So we are going to start the giveaway real quick. If you have not received your merch is on the way. I actually have the packages sitting in the living room right now. After I get done shooting this clip for the video, I'm actually going to go to the post office, ship that stuff out, so you should be receiving it by the end of the week, or if not, first thing Monday, Tuesday morning, because I just do regular shipping and it takes like 5 to 7 business days, which is Monday through Friday, to get to you. So some of you guys that are in Cali should receive it like no later than Tuesday. If you're in the Texas area, you should probably get it by Friday. So you guys are getting your merch. It is on the way. Now to the actual giveaway. So the actual giveaway, I know I've been saying it's going to be on this date, it's going to be on this date, but now the time has come and it is on Wednesday of this week at, we'll just say 7 p.m. Eastern time, man. So if you guys live in Cali or in Texas and the time is different, make sure you guys tune in to YouTube Live on Wednesday, 7 p.m. Eastern time, guys, because that's when we will be doing the actual pulling the name out for the giveaway on this one, and the giveaway for the hitting the 1K views on the video and people commenting done. So real quick before we get into started, so all the entries and tickets of everybody are inside here. Say if you purchase the entry that got you 10 entries, so there's actually 10 tickets with your number on it, and I have your name, you know, next to a number, and that is your ticket. So say if you ordered the shirt and the sticker combo, there's 10 tickets in there for you. That is your number in the list. But since we held off the giveaway for like almost like a solid week, I went ahead and gave you guys 2 extra. Everybody got extra 2 entries in on top of, you know, what you guys bought, man. You know, just to only make it fair and give you guys a little bit easier chances for you guys to win the setup, man. So we went ahead and did that. So basically what's going to happen, you know, all these numbers, you know, we're going to mix them up really good, and then we're going to toss them inside the box. You know, I'm going to put a piece of tape on the box, man, shake that thing up like there's no tomorrow. And then, you know, I'm going to have my son's little hand go inside there and just pull out 1 ticket, and whoever's number is on the back, we're going to look up that number, and whoever's name's next to that number, and then you guys are the winner for the Sundown Audio and Terra Amps giveaway. And for the other giveaway, which is the 2.8s, that one's going to be generated through like a raffle generator that is online, because we didn't have that many entrants into that one, so I can, you know, physically enter all the names of that guy, and then we'll spin the wheel and someone's gonna be walking away with the 2.8s. Like I said, I held off the giveaway for almost like a week, man. I had, you know, a few little things going on I had to handle, which I'll explain to you guys here in a little bit. And then, but now, you know, we are gonna definitely get this giveaway out the way and get it in one of you guys' trunks, trucks, whatever it is, so you guys can be jamming. So once again, this Wednesday, let me look up the date real quick. So this Wednesday, which is the 11th, on the 11th, on Wednesday at 7 p.m. Eastern time zone, we will be doing the giveaway for the 212 Sundowns and the 1200 watt Terra Amps bass amp for one of you guys that's going to be jamming. And we will be doing the other giveaway for those that comment done on the videos to help us get to the 1K views. Alright, so what's good, YouTube, man? Welcome back to another video. You guys just definitely seen the quick clip of letting you know what's actually going on with the giveaway. So mark the calendar, Wednesday, May 11th, man, at 7 p.m. Be there or be square on YouTube Live. YouTube Live. You have to be on YouTube Live in order for you guys to watch the giveaway live and see who wins it, man. So definitely tune in YouTube Live at 7 p.m. Wednesday, May 11th, to see who's gonna walk away with the 212s and the Terra Amps. And then, you know, we're gonna do the giveaway as well for who's going to be walking away with the 2.8 PRV audio 8-inch mids to be jamming as well, because you guys comment done on the videos, so we can try to see get more views. And, you know, comment done was when you turn the notifications on to all. because sometimes people subscribe and don't turn the notifications on, and you definitely need those notifications on to see all the videos that we're gonna. Okay, so now back to what was going on, man. Your boy ain't posted a video like almost in like a week. I did post like 1 or 2 videos, but you know, your boy needed a break, man. You know, no lie. I think since, let me look at the calendar real quick. Since I want to say like the ends of maybe February, middle of February, man, that's when we started actually doing the installs on people's cars. Actually, let me look exactly. The day after Valentine's Day is actually when I took in my first install of doing them here. So, and as you can see, it was this one right here. Man, there's a lot of glare. It's actually this one. We built the wall panel for the OBS, and this video was actually published on February 15th of this year, and that is the date that we actually started getting back doing car audio here at the crib. Count the months real quick, because 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 4 months. 4 months. Man, between those 4 months, doing the actual car audio, working all my social media platforms, which is TikTok. I got 2 Instagrams, 3 Instagrams, and a YouTube channel. Recording, editing, taking the pictures, talking to all my clients. And that's just the social media part of it. That's not including, I still cut hair. I still had to cut hair. I still had to book appointments with my customers, my clients on the hair cutting stuff. And then, you know, long nights, or not long nights, but, you know, like a good amount of sprints of time cutting the hair. And then plus, you know, being the dad, the brother, the uncle, the husband, you know, etc., etc. Man, it takes a toll on you. You feel me? And I'm just a one-man band, one-man army, you can say. You know, I'm my own cameraman. I edit. I do the car audio stuff. I do consultations with everything. I talk to everybody. So basically, it all just, you know, I'm the dude for everything that what I do, which is not bad, which that's what the plan is. But, man, you know, for 30 days out the month, you know, for the past like 3 months, man, it's serious. You know, it can really take a toll on you guys. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't understand how some of the bigger YouTubers, I mean, I do understand some of the bigger YouTubers and even celebrities, you know, how they deal with the stress of always having to give somebody an answer, always ready to go do these like photo shoots, you know, shoot videos and this and that. But once you get to a certain level, you actually have, you know, people that do stuff for you. So, you know, like the YouTubers, they have their own cameraman. They got people that edit. They got people that handles their merchandise. People that make their merchandise, shipping, and, you know, maybe a receptionist here and there. And, you know, your boy, man, I try to do everything myself just to make sure that everybody gets attended, you know, fair and equally, and no one gets left out. So having to do that, the car audio, then the YouTube, recording, cutting hair, etc., etc., man, it takes a toll on you. And I think I said in one of the previous videos, I think I've said in one of the previous videos that I only really need a day or 24 hours or maybe 2 days just to regain myself, and then I'll be good for a good little minute. Well, that was, you know, not true, because obviously I needed a good week. Man, I ain't post on like none of my social medias. I ain't really record nothing. I put the camera away because like for like a year and a half already, everything I do evolves like YouTube, you know, Instagram, TikTok, etc., etc. So I really didn't have no time for myself to really just go over my master plan and just keep going, and, you know, with the plan that I got. And I just needed a break just to make sure, you know, I don't go crazy, or, you know, none of that stuff, or have no nervous breakdowns or none of that stuff. Which I don't think I could have a nervous breakdown, because I've been in worse situations in life that really put me in a whole different place, versus just being overwhelmed with just some social media stuff and some pictures and videos. which is not that bad. You know what I'm saying? Because you know. It could be worse. I couldn't even have a YouTube channel. I couldn't even be at 1,000 subscribers, which we're almost at 2K subscribers, man. So subscribe. But you know, we passed that obstacle. I took the brake off, and we're back ready to rock and roll. The first thing that I need to knock out is we need to knock out this giveaway, which May 11th at 7 p.m. Man, you better tune in. Someone's gonna win that system, and man, we need need the whole gang jamming. So we need to congratulate the gang member that's going to win this system, and it's going to be jamming and representing the Mousetrap Gang out there in the streets with a system that, you know, we're hooking them up with. Not really hooking them up with, but you know, they put their hard work and money in, and you know, they got a chance to go ahead and win it. But with that being said, you know, no more disappearing, no more of that. You know, we got a good little weekend to, you know, regain ourselves. Regroup ourselves, go over our plan again, and make sure we just stick to it. Our plan, you know, is working because the channel grows every single day, and it's you know, you guys, I wouldn't be making this video if it wasn't for you guys. You know what I'm saying? You guys are a part of, you know, of my life right now, because you know, you guys see a good amount of stuff that's going on, and I do, you know, try to keep it as much real with you guys as possible. You know, giving you guys explanations because you guys deserve it. You guys are the audience, and you guys watch everything. So I just need to let you guys know, man. I just needed a quick 1 week to make sure, you know, we're good, everything's ready to rock and roll, and we're back on the grind. For the moment, I don't think I'm going to be taking in jobs to do here at the crib for like a good little minute, because I need to work on some of the stuff that I want to work on. I want to shoot some of the videos that I want to shoot. And you know, not that I don't want to work on cars, man, but you know, we still got to get some stuff done that's going to help the channel grow. And yes, doing the car installs, it does help the channels grow, but you know, there's still some other stuff I want to get done so you guys can see, because you know, you guys deserve to see, you know, a good little amount of stuff. Yes, seeing the car builds, yes, seeing, you know, all this different stuff built is good for the channel, man, but we can take the channel to the extreme level. You see what I'm saying? Which we are going to. And we're going to do a bunch of badass stuff. We're going to pace ourselves and not work on you know, having deadlines and having stuff done. So now we can give you good YouTube videos, good explanations, you know, and everything. We're going to take things a little bit slower. And we're going to, you know, pretty much step the game up, you know what I'm saying, in the video editing and everything, you know, because some people say they wish they could see a little bit more of the hands-on actions, which we are gonna get really into that type of stuff. So sit tight, man. Subscribe to the channel, and the best is it hasn't even came yet, and it's gonna come. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna mess with the settings on my camera because I'm trying to get you guys better video quality. For some reason, when I go watch the videos at my other friends' houses, the videos actually look fabulous on there. I don't know if it's, you know, my TV or what's the situation, that I feel the quality could be better. And I got a curved TV. I got one of those Samsung curved TVs, which is supposed to be like 4K, and the UHD or whatever it's called, like, it's supposed to be badass, but I just feel like sometimes the quality is not all there. You know, because I watch the videos, I review the videos, I see where we can work stuff better. And, you know, the quality, I do want to step that up a bit. And I actually got a pretty nice camera. I got the Sony ZV-1, which is supposed to be the good vlogger cam. But like I said, the video that I took for the Easter show, where everybody was with the cars at, that video was actually pretty badass quality. And then the truck show, the truck meet that we just had, I watched that at my other homeboy's house, and man, that video quality was pretty badass on his TV, so I was pretty impressed. I, you know, don't know what the actual setting was that I did on the camera that day, but I'm gonna try to get more familiar with my camera so we get nothing but badass videos. Editing, we're gonna get more big dog status on the editing. You know, I know how to do a little bit of editing, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and just buy this program so we can have really nice edits. And you know, like I said, we're stepping this up, man. So Mousetrap Gang, we're about to take over. You know, we need to get the numbers back up. Definitely turn on those notifications to all, man, because we need the Mousetrap Gang to watch every single video every single time, and so we can hit 1K views every single time we drop a video within 24 hours. I know we can do it. You know, I know we can do it. So with that being said, man, May 11th, tune in, 7 p.m. Eastern time. Someone's walking away with the 212s and the 1200 watt amp. Someone's going to be screaming really loud in their car with the 2.8s. Man, we got the giveaways going on. We got plenty of giveaways still yet to come that we're going to do. You know, I'm going to slow things down. We're going to get more organized, and we're going to definitely bring this channel, you know, up there with the big dogs, man. So subscribe to the channel. Just call me in the comments for not loading up, man. And I'll catch you guys tomorrow on tomorrow's video, because we're start dropping these daily vlogs again, man. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow, man. Peace.